Hello students, welcome to Jayadev Academy. My name is Kanti Kumar. Now we are discussing our physics topics. In the previous class I explained the scalars and vectors and how to calculate the scalars, and also I explained how to calculate the vectors. So now we have to solve some problems to understand what we explain and what we get the concept. Okay, let's come to the discussion. Calculations of the vectors. Okay, take subheading. Take subheading, that is calculations of vectors. Most of vector calculations based on we need to find magnitude and another one is the direction. That's it. Most of the vector problems they will ask to find the magnitude and find the direction, like this. Today's discussion also we are going to find the magnitude and direction of the problems. Okay, let's come to the discussion. Take the first question. Take a first question. Okay, I am removing this. Okay, no need to write it, but I remove it. The first question: two vectors having equal magnitudes A, which makes A. These two vectors makes an angle theta with each other. Okay. Now, what is our target? We need to find magnitude and direction. We have to find the magnitude and direction of the resultant. See, here they give the two vectors, right? They give the two vectors. Let's take concept. Here they give the two vectors, and these two vectors having the magnitude. See, magnitudes are same, and there is an angle. So let's take the discussion. Solution. Vectors, consider vector A bar has magnitude A, and take another vector B bar has magnitude B. Okay, what we need to find? Magnitude. We already discussed. So here I am writing. This is the concept page. Okay, this is the concept page. Concept page is whatever concept I explain, I will show here only. This is concept page. Okay, I explain concept here only. Okay, whatever concept I explain here only. So we already discussed what is the formula for the magnitude. See, if the two vectors if they give, this is the two vectors, take this is the vector A and this is the vector B, and this has the magnitude. They give the magnitude B and magnitude A, and this should be resultant, right? So this we can write as this is as a parallelogram vector. We already discussed this is the theta. We need to find the angle between resultant and A, that is alpha. This is a common discussion. Okay, so what we learned from our previous discussion, that what is the magnitude? What is the formula for magnitude? Resultant magnitude or magnitude or is given by, what is the formula? Don't forget, a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, square root. Right? Now nothing worry, take the values of magnitudes a and b and substitute in, this magnitude also a, right? This is also a, right? So this is also a, magnitudes are same. So see, a magnitude a, b magnitude b. That means vector a equals to vector b equals to having same magnitude. So in the place of a, b, we have to substitute a values. Then we need to solve the equation, right? Let's solve the equation. I am substituting here. See here, I am substituting here. That equals to, substitute a square plus a square plus 2 into a into cos theta square root. Hope you understand, right? Now I am again a square plus a square plus 2a square cos theta. Now take 2a square common. Why I am taking 2a square common? Because this is a 2a. So this is also 2a. This is 2a square. This is also 2a square. That's why if I take common 2a square out, 2a square, I will get 1 plus, right? 1 plus cos theta. I will get 1 plus cos theta. If I take 2a square out, I will get 2 square root to 2 and a into 1 plus cos theta. This is complete square root. Hope you understand, right? This is a. See here, if you solve the trigonometric equations, if you solve the trigonometric functions, then you can know what is this value. What is this value? Let's come to the concept. This is the concept board, right? I already explained. Whatever the concept I explained here only. This is the concept board. Now I am explaining this concept. Cos theta, we already know. Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Right? If I convert this term in terms of the cos, I will get cos 2 theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. Hope you understand. Now see, here cos 2 theta. Now I am removing this theta. If I remove, I am removing this 2. If I remove this 2, I will get cos theta equals to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Let's come to the discussion that cos theta plus 1 equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Sorry. Okay? See here, we got the formula. This is cos theta 1 plus. See here, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. In the place of 1 plus cos theta, I am going to write 2 cos square theta by 2. Let's come to the discussion. See here, this is A, right? This is A root 2. 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2 whole root. Right? So 1 root cancel. This is square root 2. The remaining, we got the remaining terms square root 2 into square root 2 cos theta by 2. Hope you understand. What is the value of square root 2 and square root 2? Root 2 into root 2 equals to 2. Or we can write 2 in terms of root 2 and root 2. This is very important. In our coming discussions, this will come continuously. Okay, regularly it will come. See, 2. So I can write finally 2a cos theta by 2. What is this? This is the resultant vector of the 2. This is the resultant vectors of the vectors A and B. Okay, hope you understand. Let's come to our discussion again. This is the question. This is the given question. Vector A given question. The magnitudes of the two vectors are same. Magnitudes of two vectors are same. Now I take the magnitudes. So what is this meaning? This meaning, this is vector and this is vector and this is vector A and this is vector B. This has magnitude A. This is also magnitude A. I need to find the resultant. This one is nothing but, resultant is nothing but addition of these two vectors, vector A and vector B. Why? The addition of these two vectors. But why I use this one? Because they give the extra term, that is theta value. So that's why I have to use this formula. If he didn't mention this theta, then what is the resultant? Resultant should be only A vector plus B vector. He included theta, that's why I am using the magnitude formula. This is the magnitude formula. So I am finding this resultant. Okay. So R vector is nothing but A vector plus B vector magnitude. Okay. So this is the formula. Let's see, I substitute a value and I done the calculations, and I also simultaneously I explain the concept here. This is the 1 plus cos theta. How I substitute 2 cos square theta by 2 in the place of the 1 plus cos theta. If you attend my lecture, that is trigonometric functions, then you are able to understand immediately 1 plus cos theta can be written as a 2 cos square theta by 2. If you solve different problems and number of problems, then only you can be able to understand 1 plus cos theta can be able to written in the form of the 2 cos square theta by 2. Otherwise it is very difficult to write. Some people can ask, sir, why we have to convert 1 plus cos theta in terms of the cos square theta by 2? No, you no need to convert. Actually this is the answer. But in your examination, they will ask some elaborate explanation. For that, you need to do some trigonometric functions formulae. You have to do some trigonometric calculations to get the the valuable and reasonable answer. Okay, this is also answer. This is also answer. But you can't keep answer like this. So this is okay. This is okay. This is like a normal answer. But this is like a practical answer. Okay, hope you understand. So now we got magnitude. So what is our next target? We need to find theta value, right? Direction. So for that, how I am going to find the direction? So take next page. I am going to take next page. So what is the formula for the direction? What is the formula of direction? What is the formula for direction? I already explained. The direction can be written tan alpha equals to y by x, that is nothing but b sin theta divided by a plus a cos theta. Sorry, this is b cos theta, right? This is b cos theta. So now I need to substitute the values of a vector, b vector values. In the previous class, so in our problem, they give the values, they give the vector magnitude as a only a. That's why I have to substitute the a values, a and b. Now take and substitute tan alpha equals to a sin theta and b is nothing but a cos theta. Right? Now take second step, a sin theta divided by, I took the common a, then I got 1 plus cos theta. Hope you understand. Again we got encounter with the 1 plus cos theta. I said this will repeat and again this function is coming very regularly in our complete discussion, right? See, a is going to be cancelled, a will cancel. So now how I can write, this is the discussion table, sorry, this is the concept page, right? How I can write 1 plus cos theta, I already explained. See here, 1 plus cos theta can be written in the form of 2 cos square theta by 2. Again write 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. Sir, then how I can write a sin theta? Let's come to our trigonometric discussion again. What is the sin 2 theta value? We already know sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta. If I remove this 2, I already explained, be careful, be concentrated. If I remove this 2, I can write sin theta, that implies, okay, 2 sin square theta by 2 and cos, sorry, not sin square, right? This is only sin, right? I can write this is as a 2 sin theta by 2, ఇక్కడ రిమూవ్ చేసినట్టు దీనికి ఎందుకు వస్తుంది, and this is cos theta by 2. Now I substitute these values and this value in this equation. I already told this answer is okay. This answer tan alpha, okay, see, tan alpha is equals to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. This answer is okay answer. It's not perfect answer. If you know the trigonometric functions calculations, then only you can be able to substitute the extra values and you will get the exact value of the alpha. So that the angle can be written as tan inverse sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This is okay answer, not perfect answer, but we are mathematicians, we are physics students, right? We need to substitute the exact values in these terms. That's why I already know the trigonometric functions. I already solved so many problems. I already done so many examples myself and I explained in our class. That's why I can able to imagine how I can be able to convert this sin theta and 1 plus cos theta like this. I have the concept in my mind. So that's why I'm converting this. So sin theta, I am substituting sin theta value as 2 sin theta and cos theta. Substitute here. Sin theta is nothing but 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta is, I am substituting 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2. See here, these two will cancel and these two will cancel each other because these are in a numerator and this is a denominator, and this cos theta cancel and this cos square theta by 2 is nothing but 2 times of the cos theta by 2 to cos theta by 2. Okay, let's see. Some people will get the doubt. Sir, what is this? This cos theta can be written in the form of cos square theta by 2 and cos square theta by 2. This cos theta can cancel and one cos theta will, not 2, cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2. This cos theta one cancel, one cos theta will cancel, the remaining only one cos theta. So that's why I am cancelling this square, I got only cos theta by 2. Now I am writing this equation, like this. See here, this is tan alpha, right? Tan alpha equals to sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. We already know what is the tan theta definition. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. See, I am writing this equation. Like this. So this is equals to tan theta by 2, nothing but tan alpha. So you can write alpha. If the tan will go like this, it will transform into tan inverse and tan theta by 2. If the tan inverse and tan theta by 2, if the inverse and tan it will like that, then this two term will become 1, not cancel, it will become 1. So alpha we get theta by 2. This is the brilliant answer or perfect answer. See here, I already told this answer is okay. I already told this answer is enough, okay answer. But if you substitute trigonometric functions, then only you are able to get the exact alpha value, that is theta by 2. So what I am saying, while you are solving physics problems, you have the concept of mathematics also. If you don't have the concept of mathematics, it is very difficult to solve the physics problems, because physics can be able to solve by knowledge of the mathematics only. These two are like a twin brothers. If you wanted to learn physics, you should definitely learn mathematics first, right? Then only you have to apply the mathematical calculations concept in the physics to understand. Otherwise it is very difficult. That's why I am taking mathematics subjects. Simultaneously I am explaining the trigonometric functions concept. Why? To understand this concept. If you attend regularly my trigonometric functions concept, you are going to learn how I will get all this concept and all these equations. Okay? So that's why I already explained these things. This is a concept how we get the direction and I substitute all the values, right? Hope you understand. You got the values and you understand. If you have any doubts, okay, if you have any doubts, please comment in the session, or you can send a message to the Jayadev Academy number, and also you can comment on Jayadev Academy app. Okay, just complete the notes. We will take the second question. Why it take much time? Because this is the first problem I am explaining about the magnitude and direction. That's why it took some much time to explain, and also I explained a complete trigonometric functions also during the class. That's why it took some extra time, okay, little time. Okay, next, take the second question. Take second question. asking the same exam question. So this is going to be nice. Two vectors of equal magnitudes. Two vectors of equal magnitude the magnitude is given as 5 unit have an angle two vectors of equal magnitude of 5 unit. These two vectors have an angle 60 degrees between them. 60 degrees between them. Here he is asking sum of the two vectors. Here asking first question, sum of two vectors and its direction. Okay, but I am not giving direction because he already gave the direction, right? So I no need to find the direction. Sum of the two vectors, and question number 2 is, first question is the sum of the two vectors, and the question number 2 is difference of two vectors. Difference of two vectors. Be careful while you are summing the vectors. If he didn't mention the angle, then only you can add vector A plus vector B, also that is equals to vector AB. Then in that case only, when he didn't mention about the theta, in that case only you can write A vector A plus vector B. But when he included the theta value between the angles, then you are not using this concept. Then you should not use this concept. You have to use the formula for magnitude, that is square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, and theta for tan alpha, that is equal to B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. Okay, right. Let's come to our discussion. I am drawing a diagram. Just I am drawing a diagram. See here. Here he give the two vectors. This is vector A. This is vector A. And this is a vector B. These two vectors having angle 60 degrees, right? So what will be the resultant vector? See here, the resultant vector should be like this. This is sum of two vectors. This is sum of two vectors, that is vector A plus vector B. Okay, is fine. This is the sum of two vectors. So then what is difference of two vectors? I explained, if this vector is like this, when the vector is in reverse direction, then only we get minus B. A vector plus minus of B vector, which will give the A vector minus B vector. Right? We already know this concept, right? So when the difference will come, addition of A vector, when this difference will come, addition of A vector plus minus of B vector, which will come A vector minus B vector. For that, what I have to do? whatever the vector is given in the question, I need to reverse that vector. If the vector is in this direction, like this vector is in this direction, I need to reverse this vector like this, then the downward direction shows the negative vector b. So I'm writing that one. So this is the vector A, this is a vector A, okay. So actually this is a given vector B, but I am writing in the reverse direction, that's why, okay, it's fine, is it fine? Right? This is a vector, is it fine, right? This is a vector B minus vector B. If you add these two vectors, A vector plus or minus B vector, that equals to A minus B vector. Here asking difference, minus difference between those two vectors, right? So what do we do now? The resultant should be in which direction? The resultant should be, if this vector is like this and this vector is like this, so the resultant should be like this. This is the resultant vector, that is vector A minus vector B. Now for me, now I need to find this angle. What is this angle? How I can able to find this angle? See here carefully. This is 60 degrees, right? This is 60 degrees, and wait, and this complete, right? This complete one is a 180 degrees, right? See this one, this vector B vector is like this and minus B vector is like that, so the angle is 180 degrees. Now I wanted only this angle, like this red one, this one, I wanted this, so that's why what I have to do, I have to remove this part, I have to remove this 60 degrees. What will happen? So 180 లో నుంచి నేను 60 ని తీసేయాలి. I have to remove 60 degrees. What will get? I get 120 degrees. So this theta angle is nothing but 120 degrees. Right? Hope you understand this concept. Okay? So this is the 120 degrees. We need this value only. So this is theta is equals to 120 degrees. Okay, we got all the values. Let's come to our discussion directly. So sum of the two vectors, I'm writing the resultant should be a square b square plus 2ab cos theta, right? What is the magnitude here? He gives the magnitude. Two vectors have the equal magnitudes. So that's why vector A, vector B, nothing but 5 units. Right? Take 5 units and substitute in AB. I get 5 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 5, 5 square cos, here this is 60 degrees. Whole root. Right? Now I am taking cos square out. What is the value of cos theta? What is the value of cos theta? I already said I will send the PDF file to our Jayadev Academy. Go and check in that app. I already type and I already uploaded in the Jayadev Academy all these cos values and everything, all the formulas are which related to the trigonometric equations, right? So in that, if you look into that, the cos theta value, cos 60 value will come as 1 by 2. Okay? So this is the 1 by 2. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. Now I need to substitute that value. Cos 30 is nothing but, see, phi square plus phi square plus phi square into 2 into 1 by 2. These two will cancel. Okay. Now I am taking phi square out and then I will get 3. Okay. Now if I take phi square out, I get 5 root 3 units. What is this? Resultant of sum of A vector, B vector. That is nothing but R. Okay? So this is the required answer. This is the required answer. Let's come to the same discussion. We need to find the difference of these two vectors. So what is that? So R resultant is nothing but A vector minus B vector magnitude. That is, this is minus, so this is plus. So that's why we need to take equation like A minus B whole square. So that's like A square plus B square minus 2AB cos 120 here. Why 120? Because the angle between the A vector and minus B vector is 120 degrees. That's why in the place of theta, I took the 120 degrees. Let's come to the discussion. Cos 120. What is the value of cos 120? See, we can write cos 120 as cos 90. What is the value of cos 120? Cos 120. We can write cos 120 as 90 plus 30. Right? So this is the 90 plus theta concept. See here, actually this is 90, this is odd angle, so that's why cos will convert into sine theta, that is sine 30. Okay, what is the sine? This is 90 plus theta, and this means the second quadrant only sine and cosecant are positive, all the terms are negative. So here we got cos, that's why this cos term is going to be negative sine 30. Sir, how you explain this? If you attend the trigonometric functions what I am explaining in the mathematics class, then only you are able to understand how to convert these values. Otherwise, you can't. Okay? I already explained these concepts also. You can check our mathematics classes. So that equals to, substitute the values. A is nothing but phi square plus phi square minus 2 into phi square. Cos 130 is nothing but sine 130 minus sine 30. Okay, root of. See, take 5 out. I took 5 out, and this is 2 minus 5 square bయటకి తీస్తే 1 plus 1 2 అవుతుంది, and 5 బయటకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. 2 What is the sin 30? This is plus, and what sin 30 value? Sin 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Hope you understand, right? So this will cancel. Yeah, root 3 by 2. Sorry, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is sin plus minus plus sin 30 is 2 into 1 by 2. Again this will cancel, and I got 5 root 3 units. Okay? Wait. This is sin 30 value, right? Sin 30 is right. This is 25, cos will turn to the sine, right? 90, it will convert it to sine. Yes, this is same. This is going to be also 5 root 3 units. Okay. So this is the resultant of the this difference of the two vectors, right? Hope you understand. So now today we explain the two concepts, so which are how to find the magnitude and the direction of the given two vectors. Okay, so we completed the two problems. Now I will give you the one homework. Please try to do it in your home and bring it when you come to the next class. Okay, note down the question. Write the question. This is homework. Rain is falling vertical. Wait. This is homework. Rain is falling vertical with a speed 35 meters per second. Wind starts blowing. After some time, with a speed of 12 meters per second in east to west direction. See here, they give the direction. This is very easy problem, and this is a very graphical representation of problem. In which direction? Question is in which direction should a boy waiting at a bus stop, waiting at bus stop. Bus stop, spelling wrong. Bus stop means BUSSTOP. So bus stop should hold his umbrella. Should hold his umbrella. This is the question. వర్షం పడుతుంది, సైమల్టేనియస్ గా మనకి గాలి కూడా వీస్తుంది. సో దట్స్ వై then the rain has some resultant vector. If the boy stands in the bus stop, అతను తడవకుండా ఉండాలంటే గొడుగుని ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు మన వర్షం ఇట్లా స్ట్రైట్ గా వస్తుంది అనుకోండి, మనం గొడుగు స్ట్రైట్ గా పెడతాం. అదే మనకి వర్షం అని ఒక ఇంక్లైన్ గా ఇట్లా వస్తుంది అనుకోండి, మనం దాన్ని ఇట్లా ఒక సమ్ ఇంక్లినేషన్ లో పడతాం. సో దట్స్ వై in which direction boy should hold his umbrella. Okay, hope you understand the concept, the magnitude and direction concept. So if you understand that clearly, then only you are able to solve this question. This is a very easy question. Please don't forget it and practice those problems and try to solve it, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.